The 3D printing scene in 2025 is packed with exciting innovations, from ultra-fast multicolor printers to compact, beginner-friendly models. Whether the aim is to build practical gadgets, artistic models, or large-scale projects, there's a 3D printer tailored for every skill level and creative goal. This roundup covers the top options that deliver exceptional results for home use, combining speed, precision, and smart features to enhance any printing setup. 1. Creity K2 Plus Combo. A powerhouse designed for ambitious creators, the Creity K2 Plus Combo reaches speeds up to 600 mm per second and supports multicolor printing for striking designs. Its built-in AI cameras help detect errors during printing, making it smarter and more reliable. However, it's quite large and comes with a steep learning curve, especially when setting up the CFS system. Best suited for experienced users working on complex or large-scale projects. 2. Original Prussa Core 1. Ideal for beginners, the original Prussa Core 1 offers a plug-and-play experience with no assembly required. The print quality is sharp and consistent, and removable sheets make post-print cleanup hassle-free. It comes with a 1 kilogram spool of PLA filament to get started right away. While not the fastest option and featuring a medium build volume, it excels in reliability and ease of use. 3. Bamboo Lab A1. The Bamboo Lab A1 delivers a surprisingly quiet and smooth printing experience. It supports multicolor printing and features auto-calibration with flow rate adjustment that works efficiently without user input. Though the build volume is on the smaller side and the filament system can be finicky if not handled correctly, this printer stands out for producing vibrant, multicolor prints with minimal fuss, perfect for casual and intermediate users. 4. Creity Ender 3v3 SE. The budget-friendly champion of the group, the Ender 3v3 SE includes a Sprite direct extruder and handles flexible filaments with ease. It may lack premium features like multicolor support or AI assistance, but it still delivers solid results for basic printing needs. Manual tweaking is needed for optimal output, but for beginners and hobbyists on a tight budget, it offers impressive value and reliability. 5. Original Prussa XL. Designed for serious makers, the original Prussa XL boasts a massive build volume, a Core XY motion system, and upgrade support for multiple tool heads. It's capable of handling complex, full-scale prints like life-size helmets. Though it comes with a higher price tag and requires considerable space, its performance justifies the investment for advanced users seeking top-tier quality and expandability.